Hello and welcome to Harley Street, Bowral. This property has caused a real stir in the market. This is your open invitation to this open house. Let's take a look inside and see what all the fuss is about. Hello, McKillop Property, George speaking. Yes, that's right, 11 o'clock, number 6 Harley. You can't miss it. We've got signs outside, flags, and there's a sandwich board with an open home time. Well, there you have it. Another fantastic open home on this wonderful property. We look forward to your inquiry and thank you for watching.